Hi. This is Will playing Uno.
I know you're an idiot. Show him this. Show him this. That's me.
Want to see Will's thing yet?
My
That.
theme.
This is theme. Theme, whatever it is. It's scary. Want to get closer? Get closer. Okay, that's too close.
It's too ugly for your ugliness.
Oh, isn't that ugly?
Whoa! Look at all these cards I have. Look at all those 2 cards I have.
Your point is?
You're ugly.
I know you are.
Ow. No. Yes. Oh, well, please someone help me.
That's SOS. Sing it in your nice voice. That's real nice. Your shampoo. Here's your shampoo. Look at the light. The light. That's his head. Well, in the picture. There's shampoo. He's looking up at something. But what? All I see is the ceiling. Ooh, look at that. Ignore her. Let's go to Oscar. Ooh, here's Megan. Hi. Now, look at that fuzzball. Get up, mister. Get up. Get up. Are you alive? Look at that. Look at so adorable. Come on. Oops. Oops. Oops, oops. Come on, Mr. Fuzz. Look at his nice tail. I think that's enough, don't you? And we will end our story right here.